Dear decorators around the world, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the cozy world of farmhouse living room decor ideas. Whether you're a fan of that rustic charm, or you're just looking for some inspiration to revamp your space, stick around because we've got you covered. So, what exactly is farmhouse decor? Well, it's all about embracing that cozy, rustic, and slightly vintage vibe that you might find in a countryside farmhouse. Think weathered wood, soft textiles, and a mix of old and new pieces that come together to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Now, let's talk about some recommendations for achieving that farmhouse look in your living room. First up, let's start with the furniture. Opt for pieces that have a distressed or reclaimed wood finish. Think farmhouse-style coffee tables, end tables, and even a rustic entertainment center. Next, let's talk about the textiles. Soft, cozy throws and pillows are a must-have for that farmhouse feel. Look for fabrics like linen, cotton, and burlap in neutral tones like whites, creams, and soft grays. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures to add some visual interest to your space. When it comes to decor accents, think vintage-inspired pieces like old milk jugs, antique clocks, and mason jars filled with fresh flowers. These little touches can really help to tie the room together and add that authentic farmhouse charm. Now, let's discuss the advantages of opting for farmhouse decor in your living room. Firstly, it's incredibly cozy and inviting. The warm tones, soft textures, and rustic elements all come together to create a space that feels like a hug every time you walk in. Secondly, farmhouse decor is timeless. Unlike some trends that come and go, the farmhouse look has been around for ages and isn't going anywhere anytime soon. So you can rest assured that your space will always feel classic and stylish. Another advantage is that farmhouse decor is versatile. Whether you live in a country cottage or a modern apartment, you can easily incorporate farmhouse elements into your space. It's all about finding the right balance and mixing and matching pieces to suit your personal style. Now, let's talk about some trends in farmhouse living room decor. One big trend right now is mixing modern elements with traditional farmhouse style. Think sleek, contemporary furniture paired with rustic accents like reclaimed wood and vintage decor. Another trend is incorporating natural elements into your space. From houseplants to woven baskets to stone accents, bringing a touch of the outdoors inside can really help to enhance that farmhouse feel. One essential aspect of farmhouse decor is the use of natural materials. Embrace the beauty of wood, stone, and metal in your living room. Look for furniture and decor pieces made from reclaimed or distressed wood, which adds character and warmth to your space. Incorporating stone accents, whether it's a fireplace surround or decorative stones, can also enhance the rustic charm of your farmhouse-inspired living room. Next, let's talk about the importance of textures in farmhouse decor. Texture plays a crucial role in adding depth and visual interest to your space. Mix and match different textures like rough-hewn wood, smooth metals, soft fabrics, and woven materials to create a multi-dimensional look. Layering textures through rugs, throws, pillows, and upholstery can help create that cozy and inviting atmosphere characteristic of farmhouse decor. Another hallmark of farmhouse living room decor is the emphasis on vintage and antique pieces. Scour flea markets, thrift stores, and antique shops for unique finds that add character and charm to your space. Old farm tools, vintage signs, and weathered crates can all make for interesting and conversation-starting decor items. Don't be afraid to get creative and repurpose old items in unexpected ways to add a touch of authenticity to your farmhouse-inspired living room. Now, let's touch on the importance of lighting in farmhouse decor. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and ambience of your space. Opt for fixtures with a vintage or industrial-inspired design, such as lantern-style pendant lights or wrought iron chandeliers. Consider incorporating candles, lanterns, and string lights to add a soft and cozy glow to your farmhouse living room. Natural light is also essential in farmhouse decor, so make sure to maximize the amount of sunlight streaming into your space by keeping window treatments minimal and using sheer curtains or blinds. Farmhouse living room decor is not just a design choice, it's a lifestyle. It's about creating a space where you can gather with loved ones, unwind after a long day, and truly feel at home. By incorporating elements like natural materials, textures, vintage finds, and thoughtful lighting, you can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that embraces the beauty of imperfection and celebrates the simple pleasures of country living. Now, as with any design style, It's important to remember that there are no hard and fast rules when it comes to farmhouse decor. Feel free to put your own spin on things and let your personality shine through. Whether you prefer a more rustic, traditional farmhouse look or a modern farmhouse aesthetic with clean lines and sleek finishes, the key is to create a space that feels authentic to you and your lifestyle. One way to add character to your farmhouse-inspired living room is by incorporating vintage or antique furniture pieces. Look for pieces with worn patinas, intricate details, and timeless charm. A distressed wooden coffee table, a vintage rocking chair, or a weathered farmhouse-style dining table can instantly infuse your space with personality and history. Another idea to enhance the farmhouse vibe in your living room is to incorporate natural elements and greenery. Houseplants not only add a pop of color and texture, but also help purify the air and create a sense of serenity. Consider placing potted plants on windowsills, shelves, or tables, or hanging them from the ceiling to bring the outdoors in and breathe life into your space. When it comes to color palettes for farmhouse decor, neutral tones are the way to go. Whites, creams, beiges, and soft grays serve as the perfect backdrop for the warm, earthy tones and natural materials typically found in farmhouse-style interiors. However, don't be afraid to add subtle pops of color through accents like throw pillows, rugs, and artwork to prevent your space from feeling too monotonous. In terms of flooring, hardwood floors are a classic choice for farmhouse decor. Their warm, natural beauty adds warmth and character to any room. If you're working with existing flooring that isn't hardwood, consider layering a cozy area rug in a neutral tone to soften the space and add texture. Now let's talk about wall decor. In farmhouse-style interiors, less is often more when it comes to wall art. Instead of overwhelming your walls with numerous pieces, opt for a few statement artworks or photographs that reflect your personal style and add visual interest without cluttering the space. Consider incorporating vintage signs, framed botanical prints, or family photos in rustic frames for a touch of nostalgia and charm. Additionally, consider incorporating a mix of overhead lighting, table lamps, floor lamps, and candles to create layers of light that can be adjusted according to your needs and preferences. Lastly, let's discuss the concept of simplicity in farmhouse decor. Farmhouse style is all about embracing a simple and unpretentious approach to design. Avoid cluttering your space with unnecessary accessories and decorations, and instead focus on highlighting a few key statement pieces. Embrace the beauty of imperfection, and embrace the lived-in look that is characteristic of farmhouse decor. Remember, less is often more when it comes to creating a cozy and inviting farmhouse-inspired living room. And finally, neutral color palettes are always a classic choice for farmhouse decor. While white and cream are staple colors, don't be afraid to add in some subtle pops of color with muted tones like sage green, soft blue, or blush pink. Farmhouse living room decor is all about creating a cozy, inviting, and timeless space that reflects the warmth and simplicity of country living. By incorporating natural materials, textures, vintage finds, and thoughtful lighting, you can easily achieve that quintessential farmhouse charm in your own home. So whether you're a city dweller longing for a taste of the countryside or a rural resident looking to embrace your roots, farmhouse decor offers a versatile and timeless aesthetic that is sure to delight and inspire. So there you have it, folks. A guide to farmhouse living room decor ideas. Whether you're looking to completely overhaul your space or just add a few farmhouse-inspired touches, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.